When the storm night can only hold my song, and my shadows listen to and fro. When so fair and doubt try to take control, all around me when the lights are growing cold. In my heart there is no song for me to sing. I feel the breeze. I can hear it say, hold on tight. It will be alright in the morning. Then I hear him say loud and strong, there will be a song in the morning. Many times it's